Hi and welcome to Digital Toolcase. In this video I will review Agility Writer. This is another one of the most interesting AI writing tools out there. I can't obviously review any single AI writing tool out there, but in this case someone asked me below one of my videos my opinion about Agility Writer, so I say to myself, well, I can make a review about it. There are different philosophies about AI writing tools. One philosophy is to write an article step by step, so paragraph by paragraph, and then there is another philosophy and it's the one-click article generation. This tool, Agility Writer, is in this second kind of tools, in this second category with the one-click philosophy, but I have to say right now this is one of the absolutely best tools in this case. So if you like to generate SEO-optimized articles with just one or few clicks, this is a really interesting tool and I will show you how it works. But first, obviously, if you like this kind of content, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can find the link in the description for Agility Writer. It's my affiliate link, so thank you if you will use it. I want to show you the pricing plans for Agility Writer. As you can see, you have many different plans here. From the lowest one, it's the basic one, where you have 32 credits per month. What this means is 32 articles if you use one-click mode. As you can see, you consume 1 credit per article, or 16 articles if you use the advanced mode with 2 credits per article. Now you also have this product roundup review. This is the kind of article you want to write for Amazon affiliate sites, for example, but here you consume 4 credits per article. The output is quite good, but obviously you need to be aware of these numbers here, because if you want to write many product review articles, maybe this plan is too small, because with 32 you obviously can only create 8 of these articles. You can create 16 of these with advanced mode and 32 with this one-click mode. And this is for 25 monthly if you use this 10% off. This discount with this code you find in the page by clicking in the description. It's valid lifetime. So until you stay subscribed, you will always have this 10% off every month. Let's take a look at other plans. In this case, this is 120 credits per month. So this is useful if you write many articles. With these 120 credits every month, $88 monthly with this discount. You can see the original prices here in red. This is 320 credits per month, and then you have these two very big plans, the Elite one 800 credits per month and the Ultimate 1600 credits per month. This is obviously for agencies. Even this one, these are for agencies, for people with many different blogs and many different projects. And if you are one of them, maybe these plans are for you. Anyway, you can choose and you can even try this tool by clicking on this sign up, so you can have some credits to try the tool and see if you like it. This is the main dashboard for Agility Writer. Here in the main page you can see some training videos, you have some FAQs, you have this new anti-AI detection feature, because many people is concerned about AI detection, but as you can see you need to read here first, because they are clearly stating that if you choose this option, the output may be not so quality, so you maybe can try to use this anti-AI detection feature. It's not mandatory, it's your choice if you want to use it, but again, maybe the output sometimes can be weird, as they say here. Then you have other FAQs and some other interesting information here, the Facebook group and so on. As you can see here in this menu, it's really simple to use because you have one-click mode. By clicking here, you have your options to generate one-click articles. In this case, you can't do any SEO optimization, so this is the cheapest kind of article inside Agility Writer, but it's maybe for less important projects. Then you have this advanced mode. This will cost 2 credits for every article. Here you can do SEO optimization for your articles with maybe keywords from Surfer SEO, Frase, Neuron Writer, and so on. I will show you in a moment. Then you have a bulk mode if you want to write more than one article at a time. You have an outline builder, and I suppose this is free. As you can see, free tools. So once you subscribe and try this tool, you can use this outline builder for free. You just need to insert a topic or a keyword, choose your region. You can also get an idea with AI and generate your outline. Then here on the More tab you have a product roundup. It's in beta, but this will cost again 4 credits for every article. This will generate, for example, a 10 best memory cards in 2023. You can insert a comparison table, you can insert pros and cons, futures for every product, images, and so on. This is the most expensive type of article here, and they also have an example of this kind of article on their site. As you can see, 10 best memory cards in 2023. You can even stop the video and read it by yourself. As you can see, you have an introduction, you have a quick recommendation, you have a comparison table, and then you have your products one by one with the image, with highlights, with a description, pros and cons, price, infos, and so on. The article is really good because it's the common way of generating this kind of articles, and you can do it with Agility Writer quite well, at least in English. I tried some times ago to do something similar in Italian. I was not too happy about the output, but maybe now it's better because they implemented the new AI algos from OpenAI, obviously. As you can see, you have 10 products here, you have factors to consider when choosing a memory card, so some kind of buying guide, and then you have your conclusion here. It's quite good. You can again stop the video and read this article, but remember, you will consume 4 credits for every article of this kind. And then again you have a website page. Even this one is in beta version. Here you can write a website page. If you want to generate pages for your site with AI, you have article ideas. This is another free tool, so you can use it for free. And you have catchy title and meta description. Again, even this one is a free tool. You have your history of generated articles here, your help section. For the sake of this video, I want to show you how the advanced mode is working. So I will use Frase to grab my NLP and LSI keywords. This is the article keyword, so article title, or at least my keyword is how to use aromatherapy diffuser. Region, I will leave USA, but as you can see, you can choose one of these. You can choose how many headings you want in the article. The maximum is 10. My competitors have 7 headings on average, so I want to match this number. I will choose 7. You can choose the article structure if you want advanced, standard or long. You also have this explanation here. Advanced, AI decides the article's length and format. Standard, set only to write text paragraphs, and long, set only to write longer text paragraphs. I will leave with advanced in this setting. As you can see, you have many settings to use, and this is good for a one-click AI article generator. You can insert your audience. In this case, I use aromatherapy beginners because I want to explain how to use an aromatherapy diffuser. I can choose a tone of voice, let's say friendly, and this AI detection setting I will leave it to default because I want to show you how it works. Then if you want, you can try to use this advanced option, and here you can see advanced boost average human score at 50% to 80% plus in originality AI detection, but it requires extra 1 to 3 credits, so it will cost you more. In this case, I will leave default. Then you can choose here if you want even FAQs, titles and description. I check this field. You can choose if you want factual data or not, in-depth factual data, standard factual data and custom factual data. Let's see here, standard, crawl once, live factual data for the entire article. In-depth factual data, crawl live factual data for each paragraph. This takes additional 5 to 20 minutes depending on the number of outlines, ideal for articles that require a lot of factual data. And then you have custom, so I suppose here you can insert facts by yourself. This is a really good option for Agility Writer. In this case, I will choose standard factual data because I don't want to wait 20 minutes to generate this article. You can choose your output language. Maybe it's better to match with the region here, so in this case it's American English, and here is where you can insert your terms and keywords. I will use the phrase ones. As you can see in the optimize section in Frase, I choose the most important NLP words. Just to reach 100% in this SERP score, I just need to copy all these words here and paste them in this field. You can do the same thing with Surfer SEO, with Neuron Writer, with any other tool that gives you this kind of SEO optimization. Obviously, you can't generate these words here inside Agility Writer. You need one of these tools. There are many. Today, you can even find the new ones every now and then on AppSumo, for example. I use Frase, I prefer Frase, it's my favorite tool. If you can't afford Frase, I suggest you to use Neuron Writer. You can find it on AppSumo. I think they are still there, and maybe I will do a review in the next days if I can. But anyway, you will find the link in the description. Okay, let me finish very quickly this list. So I have my list of words. Now I can insert my outline if I want to write it by myself, or I can click here on Create Outline. And after 1 minute more or less, I have my outline here. So, introduction, understanding aromatherapy diffusers, what is an aromatherapy diffuser, types, step-by-step guide on how to use, and then I have benefits of using an aromatherapy diffuser, I have essential oils guide, maintaining your aromatherapy diffuser, and tips and tricks with conclusion. I wanted 7 headings and I have my 7 headings plus my conclusion. As you can see, you have many options with Agility Writer, and if you like these one-click article generators, this is a really good tool. I'm more a fan of generating my articles paragraph by paragraph, but anyone is different and I know many of you like this kind of tools. Once you have your outline, you can generate this article. As you can see, there is an estimate of words, 3,360 words. You paid 2 credits for this article. It's not depending on the length of the article, so it can be, for example, 2,000 words if you choose less headings, or maybe 5,000 words if you choose 10 headings, but you will always pay 2 credits. I have 6 credits to use for the sake of these review videos, so I can click on the right article or add to writing queue. This button will generate your article here. If I click on Add to Writing Queue, as you can see, this article is now on my queue. It can take up to 5 to 30 minutes. The full article can be downloaded at the history once it's ready. So I don't need to stay on this page while the article gets written. I can go here on history, for example, and as you can see, this is my article. At the moment it's in progress and I have 0 word count. Now I will stop the recording and resume it once the article is finished. Okay, as you can see now my article is finished. How to use aromatherapy diffuser. It's not super fast, but you need to consider the quality of this output. Now I will show you. I have a 3,796 words for this article. Here you can click on this rewrite if you want to send it again to advanced mode and rewrite this article if you don't like it, and you can download it in HTML version, in Word version, or in text version. Just to show you how it works, you click on HTML, you can download this article and then open it with your browser, and this is my article. Now I will copy this article into Frase so I can show you the SERP score for this article. I didn't try, so this is a curiosity of mine. Let's try to check, and we have 100% SERP score. And this is one quality of Agility Writer. It's able to generate 100% phrase articles with just a few clicks. The same happens with Surfer SEO. Maybe you don't have a 100%, but on average I saw a 75-80%, and you have even high scores with Neuron Writer. Anyway, this is our article. I will scroll this article as I often do, so you can read it by yourself and be aware of the quality of Agility Writer. And then we will make some considerations. Okay, you can stop the video while I scroll if you want. Some considerations I have. I like the fact that this article is long. It's very well structured. I have a quick introduction. I have all these paragraphs, I have this step-by-step guide on how to use aromatherapy diffuser, choosing the right essential oils, adding water, turning on and adjusting settings, safety precautions. I have benefits, I have this table. I like the fact that you can have tables in your articles. It's obviously a really basic table in this case, but it depends obviously by your topic. You have some other tips here. Again, safety considerations for specific essential oils, because in this section we are talking about essential oils. I have maintaining your aromatherapy diffuser, cleaning and maintenance, a very well-structured guide with a numbered list, troubleshooting common issues, again with a numbered list and some bullet points. I have tips for extending the life of your diffuser, tips and tricks for optimal aromatherapy diffuser experience. And again, it's a well-written article, it's in-depth. And then here at the end of the article, you have these general facts. These are the facts used for this article, and you can check where these facts have been inserted in your article. You have source URLs, so you know where these facts come from, and as you can see, healthline.com, WikiHow, you have aromaweb.com, and so on. And here you have your FAQs. Obviously, you can insert these sources in your article to make it more authoritative. You have your FAQs, how do I use an aromatherapy diffuser, can I mix different essential oils, and so on. And then here you have some catchy title ideas, unlock the secrets of aromatherapy, how to use a diffuser effectively, and so on, transform your environment, discover the power of scent. Meta description, you also have 3 different ideas for meta description. This is why I say that this is one of the best one-click article generators I tried, and if you like these kind of tools, I absolutely suggest you to try Agility Writer. I think it's worth it. You can compare this output, for example, with Content at Scale. I made a review some weeks ago, but the price is completely different, because if you watch here with, for example, just $25 monthly, you can generate 16 of these kind of articles, this type of articles in advanced mode, 16 every month for $25, or maybe you need more articles, so you can pay $88 monthly and you can generate way more of these. And again, if you compare it, for example, with a good tool like Content at Scale, well, Agility Writer wins for the price. And in my opinion, the quality it's not so bad. It's not so much lower than Content at Scale. It's always difficult to do comparisons about output because every article is different. Every time you generate an article, you have different results. But I can say I like this article, I like this output. And if you want, again, stop the video when I scroll this article so you can build your considerations about this article, this output, and this agility writer. It's again very easy to use. You can choose between click mode, one-click mode. Here you don't have any optimization. You can just insert standard factual data, the ones I choose for this example. This is my favorite mode, the advanced mode, because you use 2 credits for every article and you have an optimized article. And maybe you can even try this product roundup if you have Amazon affiliate sites. From the example I showed you before, you can see this is generating really good output, but obviously in this case you will consume 4 credits. And again, 100% for the SERP score by phrase. If I check here my competitors, this article will be at the top high end of the content optimization. Here you have your heat map where you can see how the words are used in your article and in your competitor articles. What can I say? Thumbs up for Agility Writer. In my opinion, you can try it for free. You just need to click on the link you find in the description and click on this sign up page. You have also some free tools inside, the outline builder and these article ideas and catchy title and meta description tools. These are free even if you don't have a subscription plan. If you like these one-click article tools, I will suggest you to not wait too much because these prices may increase. And at the moment you also have this 10% off discount for the lifetime if you use this code. I hope this video was helpful for you to know and see how Agility Writer works. If so, well, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you want to watch my other tools reviews, you find them here on my channel. Thank you very much for watching until now, and obviously I'll see you soon in the next video.